Every insurance policy begins with a clause. Every clause shapes coverage, compliance, and risk. Newgen manages the complete lifecycle of every clause: drafted, reviewed, approved, published, retired. Governed at every stage. Approved clauses don't just sit in a library. Intelligent business rules automatically assemble the right wording based on product, jurisdiction, and risk. Group the right clauses together, and they become complete templates, ready to generate every policy document instantly. When wording changes, update it once. The change flows automatically across every policy, every template, every product that depends on it. Every clause remains connected to every wording it powers. Complete traceability, complete audit history, complete visibility into the impact of every change before it's approved. Faster policy issuance, consistent wording, lower compliance risk. One intelligent platform. Newgen. Reach out for a demo today.